Roots in the ground like my ancestors' feet. Healing herbs on the shelf, that's nature's heartbeat. Sip the alkaline, watch your soul retreat to a place where the body and the spirit meet. I ain't selling dreams, just leaves that heal. No smoke and mirrors, just plants that feel. See moss on deck, yo, that's the deal. You can taste the truth, this vibe is real.
The rainforest.
Healing nature is the remedy.
I get it.
Balance your body, set your spirit free.
What you're looking at actually is the base of
Herbs in the
volcano, which imploded on itself. It was thousands of feet high, and it actually imploded on
Healing
itself.
nature, come and grow with me. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah. Got burdock root for your blood to flow. Sarsaparilla sipping, let your glow just show. Dandelion greens for the cleanse, you know. This is ancient science, not just for show. No sugar rush, just the sweetness of thyme. Ginger in the pot, let it steep in rhyme. Every sip's a step to a life sublime. Healing's in the roots, not a fleeting climb. From the earth, it's pure and divine. Alkaline herbs, now it's showtime. Health ain't a trend, it's a sacred sign. Alkaline, true, that is our mind. Healing nature, it's the remedy. Balance your body, set your spirit free. Oh, herbs in the air, feel it, liberty. Healing nature, come and grow with me.